Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve the questions 1 and 2. Figure it out, page number 51, 52, class 6, chapter 2, lines and angles. The first question is, in each of the below grids, join A to other grid points in the figure by a straight line to get. So in the question they given that in each of the grids shown you need to join point A to the other grid points using a straight line to get an acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Joining points with a straight line in the grid to form angles less than 90 degrees will give you acute angle. So these two are the acute angles. Next one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle 91 degree to 179 degree. If your baseline is horizontal, draw the other line going left at a gentle slope. If you want to measure the angle, place the protractor like this and consider the inner scale. You will get the angle is 135 degrees. Next one also you have to draw a straight line like this to get an obtuse angle and place the protractor to measure the angle. So take a protractor, place like this. Now you have to consider outer scale, then you will get the angle 140 degrees. Next C is reflex angle. The angle should be 181 degrees to 359 degrees. If the base line is to the right and you draw the second line going downwards, then the smaller angle is acute or obtuse, but outside angle is reflex angle. Same the second one also, you have to draw a line like this and you have to see the outer side of the angle is reflex angle. Next second question is, use a protractor to find the measure of each angle, then classifying each angle as acute, obtuse, right or reflex. Here they given a figure with points P, Q, R, T and W and asked to measure different angles using a protractor and then classify each angle as acute, obtuse, right or reflex. Angle PTR, place the protractor at point T. When we measure the angle between the line TP, line TR, we get 30 degrees. So A angle PTR equals to 30 degrees. Since 30 degrees is less than 90 degrees, this is an acute angle. Next B is angle PTQ. This is between line TP and line TQ. Using the protractor to measure is 60 degrees. Again, since 60 degrees is less than 90 degrees, this is also an acute angle. Next one is C. Let's check the angle PTW. This is between line TP and line TW. If you measure the angle, we will get the angle is 105 degrees. Now 105 degrees is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees. So this is an obtuse angle. Angle PTW equals to 105 degrees. It is obtuse angle. The last one is angle WTP. Notice that WTP is larger angle going all the way around from line TW back to line TP. So to measure, we can subtract 360 minus angle PTW. We know the angle PTW is 105 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 105 degrees equals to 255 degrees. 255 degrees is reflex angle. Angle PTR equals to 30 degrees, angle PTQ equals to 60 degrees, acute angle, angle PTW equals to 105 degrees, obtuse angle, angle WTP equals to 255 degrees, reflex angle. I hope you understand how to solve these type of questions. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.